If you've ever tried building a competitor research system, you already know the hardest part isn't collecting data the first time. It's keeping that data pipeline alive. Let's say you're tracking a few competitors. At first, everything seems straightforward. You build a scraper, connect it to your workflow, and start collecting data. Then the website changes. A page gets redesigned, the HTML structure shifts, a field disappears. Suddenly your scraper breaks. The data stops flowing, and you're back to debugging infrastructure instead of actually researching competitors. And even when the scraper works, there's another problem. The data often comes back incomplete. Before you know it, you're wasting tokens just trying to extract the handful of insights you actually need. This is exactly the problem AnySite is trying to solve. Instead of building custom scrapers for every platform, AnySite turns websites into structured APIs that AI agents can use directly. The idea is pretty simple. Connect AnySite to Cursor through MCP, and your AI assistant can access structured data from websites. But what caught my attention isn't just the data access itself. AnySite is built around three core pieces. There's an MCP server for AI assistants like Cursor, a CLI for turning those workflows into automated production pipelines, and a REST API that gives you direct access to the same underlying data engine. So in this video, we're going to build a competitor research workflow from scratch. We'll connect AnySite to Cursor, use it to pull and analyze competitor data without writing a single scraper, then turn that workflow into an automated pipeline using the CLI. Finally, we'll take a look at AnySite's REST API and benchmark data to see how the underlying data quality compares against other providers. Alright, so let's start by connecting AnySite to Cursor. I'm over on the AnySite dashboard and I've already generated an API key. Once you've got yours, head over to the MCP Setup instructions. Okay, after copying the MCP configuration, let's open Cursor. I'll click on this Add MCP button, and then on this code block, I'll paste the code from earlier. Once that's done, let's test it. I'm going to open the chat and ask, show me what LinkedIn company endpoints are available. And there we go. You can see Cursor is already talking to AnySite and discovering available endpoints. Now, the reason this matters is because normally, if you're building a competitor research workflow, you'd need to find an API, build a scraper, or manually figure out how to pull this data yourself. With AnySite, the AI assistant can discover what's available on its own. So let's do something useful. I'm going to ask, get the company profile for Apify. A few seconds later, and we've got the company data back. Now let's take it one step further by asking, show me their latest company posts. And there we go. We've got recent company activity without writing a scraper, without inspecting HTML, and without setting up a separate API integration. At this point, we've already got the foundation for a competitor research workflow. We can pull company information, employee data, posts, and a lot more directly from inside Cursor. But this is where most tools start running into a problem. The more data you collect, the more tokens you burn processing it. So let's see how AnySite handles that. Alright, so we've got access to competitor data now. The problem is that once you start researching seriously, the amount of data grows really fast. Let's say I want to analyze the last 50 posts from this company. I'll ask Cursor to pull them. And there we go. Now imagine doing this for 5 competitors instead of 1. That's already hundreds of posts. If you send all of that into the context window every time, you're wasting tokens on data you probably don't even care about. For example, maybe I only care about posts that actually got engagement. So instead of manually sorting through everything, I'm gonna ask Cursor, show me only posts with more than 50 reactions. And now we get a much smaller set of results. What's happening behind the scenes is pretty interesting. Instead of sending all 50 posts back into the context window and letting the AI filter them, AnySite stores the results on its side and performs the filtering there first. That means Cursor only receives the posts we actually care about. Let's try another one. I'll ask, what's the average comment count across all company posts? And instead of dumping every post back into the chat, we just get the final number. This is actually one of my favorite parts of the workflow because as your research gets bigger, context becomes expensive. The goal isn't collecting more data, the goal is getting the exact data you need while keeping the context window focused on analysis instead of filtering. Now that we can pull and filter competitor data, let's take this a step further and turn it into an actual competitor research report. I'm going to ask Cursor, based on the company profile, hiring activity, and recent posts, create a competitor research report. Let's give it a second. And there we go. Now instead of scrolling through hundreds of posts manually, we've got a structured summary of what this company is doing. We can see what topics they're posting about, what products they're talking about, where they're hiring, and even what areas of the business they're investing in based on the roles they're recruiting for. This is where the workflow starts becoming really useful. Because normally, competitor research is a pretty repetitive process. You visit their website, check LinkedIn, look at job openings, read recent announcements, take notes, and then repeat the whole thing again next week. Instead, we're letting Cursor gather the information and summarize it for us. And we're not limited to a single company either. Let's add another competitor. I'll ask Cursor to pull the same data for a second company and compare the two. A few seconds later, and now we can start spotting patterns. Maybe one company is aggressively hiring AI engineers, while another is focused on sales growth. Maybe one competitor is constantly talking about enterprise customers, while another is targeting startups. These are the kinds of insights that are difficult to see when you're looking at raw data, but become obvious once everything is structured and analyzed together. At this point, we've built a pretty solid competitor research workflow directly inside Cursor. But eventually, most teams run into the same problem. A workflow that works once isn't enough. You want it running every week automatically, not manually run competitor research every Monday. And that's where AnySite's CLI comes in. The CLI basically lets you turn everything we've been doing manually into an automated pipeline. Let me show you. I've already got a pipeline configuration prepared here. The first step searches for companies matching our criteria. The second step pulls additional information about those companies. And then we store everything locally in a database. The nice thing is that we're describing the workflow instead of writing a bunch of custom scraping code. Once the pipeline is ready, I can run a dry run first. This checks the configuration and shows me what's about to happen before spending any credits. Everything looks good, so let's run the pipeline. A few moments later, and now we've got all of that competitor data collected automatically. And instead of sending everything into an AI context window, the data gets stored locally. That's important because once you start collecting hundreds or thousands of records, constantly feeding them through an LLM becomes expensive very quickly. With the CLI, the data lives in your database, and you only send the specific information you want analyzed. Let's verify everything worked. I'll run a quick query against the dataset. And there we go. We've got all the collected records sitting in our database ready to be analyzed, filtered, exported, or used by other tools. The other thing I like here is scheduling. Let's say I want this research to run every Monday morning. Instead of opening Cursor and doing everything manually, I can simply add a schedule to the pipeline. Now the data collection happens automatically in the background. Every week, new competitor information gets collected, stored, and updated without me touching anything. For teams doing market research, sales intelligence, lead generation, or competitor monitoring, this is usually the point where the workflow starts feeling less like a demo and more like actual infrastructure. Now, before we wrap up, I want to quickly validate why this workflow is actually useful. AnySite has published benchmark data comparing itself against a few other web data extraction tools, and the differences are pretty interesting. Looking at this table, the first thing that stands out is the unified API approach. With AnySite, it's one API and one schema across all these different platforms. In this benchmark, with one API key, you can change it to any URL to turn it into JSON. Compare that to something like Apify, where you're dealing with separate actors depending on the source, or Bright Data, where you're still building parts of the extraction layer yourself. The next thing is AI-generated endpoints and self-healing extraction. This goes back to the problem we talked about at the beginning of the video. Websites change all the time, and maintaining scrapers is usually the painful part. The whole idea here is that AnySite handles those changes for you instead of forcing you to constantly update your pipelines. And then there's the coverage itself. Any URL you want to parse, all behind the same interface. That's a big reason why we are able to build this competitor research workflow without stitching together 5 different tools. But honestly, the biggest takeaway for me isn't that one provider is faster or cheaper than another. It's that the data is structured in a way that actually works well for AI systems. The cleaner and more consistent the data is, the less time your agents spend dealing with broken scrapers, missing fields, and unnecessary payloads, and the more time they spend actually generating insights. And that's pretty much the workflow. We started with a pretty common problem. Competitor research sounds simple until you try to scale it. Scrapers break, websites change, data becomes inconsistent, and before long, you're spending more time maintaining infrastructure than actually analyzing competitors. With AnySite, we pulled competitor data directly into Cursor, filtered and analyzed it without flooding the context window, automated the workflow through the CLI, and validated the data quality through the REST API. What I like most is that it all works on the same underlying platform. You can start with MCP while exploring ideas, move to the CLI when you want automation, and use the REST API when you need direct access to the data itself. If you want to try AnySite for yourself, I'll leave links down below. They've also provided a promo code, EricTech, which gives you $30 off your first payment. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.